Welcome to JK Restaurant Video Demo. In this video, we will have a quick tour of the JK Restaurant program. We'll visit some of the frequently used screens such as Order, Reports, Management, and Setup. More detailed explanations on taking orders, viewing reports, and other management tasks are explained in later videos. To start the JK Restaurant program, double-click on the JK Restaurant icon on the desktop. It'll take few seconds to start up the program. Here, you see the main screen. Main screen is the first screen you will see when you start JK Restaurant program. From here, you can go to screens to take orders, manage store operations, set up program, view reports, clock in and out, drawer in and out, and exit the program. To take orders, press Orders button from the main screen. This is the screen where you take orders from customers and receive payments. On the top of the screen, you can see buttons for 5 different order types: Table, Bar tab, Takeout, Delivery, and Quick Order. Pressing each order type button shows open orders for each type. Later on, you can use Setup screen to decide which order types you're going to use and not to use. For example, your store might only take table and takeout orders, not delivery and bar tab. Table screen is used for taking and managing table orders, where waiters or waitresses take orders from the customer. Here, you see the layout of the tables on the floor. You can have multiple table sections such as main hall, bar, and patio. Bar tab screen is mostly used in bars. Customers open tabs using their credit card and make additional orders as time passes without paying every time. When customer is ready to leave, he closes tab and make the payment. Takeout screen is used for taking phone orders, where customers call restaurant to order food and pick up their orders later on. Takeout screen can also be used for customers who walk in and order food to go. Delivery orders can be processed in this screen. JK Restaurant allows you to take customer name, address, and phone number. And when food is ready, you can assign multiple orders to the driver. And when driver comes back, program calculates total amount that needs to be collected from each driver. Quick orders are mostly used in fast food restaurants, where you would take orders and customer pays right away. On the right, there are buttons to create or modify orders and take payments. Caller button is used to take phone orders for takeout or delivery. JK Restaurant supports optional caller ID device, which makes taking phone orders much easier. Drawer button is used to open the cash drawer. Manage order button allows you to see all orders taken. And main button takes you back to main screen. On the bottom, there are buttons to perform specific tasks depending on the order type. This is table screen and there are buttons for table reservation, void a table order, move or merge tables, split table order payments, print the check, view what items are in the order, and process payments for multiple orders. This is the More button, and it contains order-related tasks that are not frequently used. In the Bar tab section, there are buttons to filter orders in 3 different ways. If there are multiple bars with several bartenders working at the same time, it is useful to filter orders so you can find it quickly. In Takeout section, these are buttons to start new order, void existing order, and finish the takeout order after customer picks up the order. In Delivery section, there are also buttons to start new delivery order, void existing order, process delivery using maps and assign orders to drivers, and finish the order when order has been delivered. On the left, This is the order detail section. Here, we can see what items are in the order, see subtotals, discounts, taxes, tips, other charges such as delivery charge, and total. These buttons on bottom of the order detail are used to make specific changes to the order. This order detail sections can be seen from Bar tab, Takeout, Delivery, and Quick Order screens, but not from the Table screen due to limited screen space. Table screen has special View Order button to see what items are in the order. That was the quick tour of the order screen. Let's check out other sections of JK Restaurant program. We can go back to the main screen by pressing Main button. Let's check out the Reports section. JK Restaurant have more than 150 reports available, and you can view them by pressing Reports button. On the left are report categories. Reports are divided in 8 different categories: sales, customers, marketing, orders, payments, employees, inventory, other, and franchise. Pressing each category show available reports on the right. To view the report, press Desired Report button. Set date ranges and other filters. Then press OK. Here we are seeing Daily Sales Summary Report. Let's look at which item was sold most this month. Select Sales by Item Report in Sales category. Press This Month button. By the way, these are date shortcut buttons that allows you to set frequently used date range filters quickly. Press OK. And here's the Sales by Item report. You can zoom in, out, the report. Navigate to First, Previous, Next, and Last pages. Print the report on invoice printer or laser printer. Export the report to PDF or Microsoft Excel files. Email the report to your email address. To see which item was sold least, we can sort the report using Sort button. Select Subtotal field, then press Low to High button. Now you can see which item was sold least. Another good feature in JK Restaurant is you can receive any reports with any filters through your email. Pressing Report Emailing button shows Setup screen, where you can select which report, which day, and what email address to send reports to. You can also specify multiple email addresses. We'll have another video on setting up report emailing. On the top of the screen is shortcut buttons. You can navigate to different sections of JK Restaurant quickly, without going back to main screen every time. Now let's check out the Management section. Press Management button from the top. Management section contains various tools to run restaurant operations, such as employee and inventory management. It's divided into 4 sections: employee, inventory, orders, and others. Employee section contains various tools for employee management. You can set up employees such as managers, waiters and waitresses, chefs, and delivery drivers. Clock in and out allows you to time clock in and out. You can also do this on the main screen. Time clock management is used to add, delete, or edit time clock entries. Payroll is used to calculate and track employee payrolls. Drawer in and out is for cash drawer amount entry. You can also do this on the main screen as well. Drawer management is used to add, delete, or edit cash drawer amount entries. Order section contains tip settlement, where tip amount is entered and settled with credit card processor. Batch settlement closes the credit card batches. EOD is acronym for end of day, and this is used for shift changes. Payout is used to record any payments made to vendors, such as wholesalers who delivered boxes of beers. Manage orders allows you to view and manage all past and present orders. You can search, reprint, void order, void payments, even perform an audit to see what was going on during the order. Gift card management allows you to search, add, change gift card balances, look up usage history, and print balance if customer requests gift card balance. This screen is also available from order screen, so that you don't have to come all the way to management screen just to look up gift card balance for the customer. Reservation allows you to manage table reservations. Inventory section contains inventory-related tools to check inventories, adjust on-hand count, create purchase orders and receive inventory orders. You can also create labels for any shelf items you might sell. Other section contains Command Center that allows you to monitor restaurant from the back office. This screen shows current status of open orders, employees currently working and clocked in or out, and sales statistics for today. You can also set it to auto-refresh every minute. Anti-theft is an interesting feature. Employee theft is a big problem in restaurant industry, and it's not uncommon to see employees steal thousands of dollars in just a couple of months. Concept of anti-theft feature of JK Restaurant is to detect any suspicious activities employee might do using computers. For example, one of the common ways to steal money is take cash payment from the customer, reduce amount of the order, then pocket the difference. JK Restaurant detects this sequence of actions and records it. Sometimes they might change computer date to create an order in the future or in the past. JK Restaurant detects most common cases of theft and shows an audit on how this order was processed. Employee theft cannot be blocked 100%, but JK Restaurant gives you tools so you can keep honest, hardworking employees. Marketing tools allow you to print coupons, door hangers, gift certificates, and send promotional emails. Customer management can be used to manage bonus mileages and account receivables. Account management is used to manage account receivables. Royalty is used to calculate due royalties for franchise restaurants. Message management is used to send messages to employees. When they clock in, preset message will pop up like an alarm. Remote connection is feature for dealers where remote management software such as TeamViewer can be started and activated. Setup section is where you set up menus, decide how table is arranged, what kind of printer to use, and customize how you'll use JK Restaurant program. Setup is one of the most complicated sections in JK Restaurant program, and there will be many videos to cover each screens. But for now, we'll just look at the screen briefly and become familiarized with them. Menu screen is used to set up store's menu. Discount is where you set up discounts, coupons, and bonus mileage. In table setup, we set up table sections and how tables are arranged. We can also assign table numbers and how many guests can sit on each table. Options screen is used to set most commonly used options. In hardware section, we can set up invoice and kitchen printers, cash drawers, POL display, scale, barcode scanners, caller ID devices, magnetic strip readers for credit cards, customer display screen, fingerprint reader, kitchen display, guest Wi-Fi system to allow customers use Wi-Fi, online ordering from web, credit card payment processing, and finally, backup. Use store setup for store details, open hours, and shifts such as lunch and dinner shift. Memo setup is used to define memo used during orders, such as no salt, no spicy, etc. Special pricing is used for setting up different menu prices, such as lunch special and happy hours. Advanced setup is used to set more detailed options. You can also create label definitions such as pizza delivery label or coffee label. Kiosk setup is used to set up kiosk where customer can take orders themselves. Enterprise setup is used if you are part of franchise, where sales data is submitted to headquarters. In Utilities section, you can reset devices if any one of them stop responding. Backup can also be set up so that JK Restaurant backs up database automatically at designated time and location. And automatic update is used by dealers to update JK Restaurant program to latest version. Control Panel section contains shortcuts to frequently use Windows control panel items. Now, let's go back to main screen. Employee can time clock and do drawer amount entry from here without entering management screen. Exit button is used to end JK Restaurant program. Before exit, you can backup database, print daily summary report, go back to Windows, or shut down the computer. This concludes JK Restaurant Quick Tour. Next video will show how to set up basic menus, tables, employees, and printers, so that you can get started using JK Restaurant as soon as possible.